Answer.
Hello, Sakshi. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine. How are you?
Good evening. Fine. Okay. So, is the second question you have done or not?
So we were doing Heron's formula.
Heron's formula.
Yes, sir. We finished the chapter and we were doing some NCRT solution.
Okay. Okay. I think we completed this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We have to start a new chapter today.
Sir, can we start triangles?
Okay, 1 second. I'm asking for Sakshi. Sakshi, tell me which chapter you want to start now.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, chapter 5, Introduction to Euclid Geometry.
Okay, which geometry? Okay. 1 second. I'm waiting for Ramesh also. Hello, Ramesh. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Fine. Today we are starting the new chapter. Okay. Tell me, Ramesh,
Okay, sir.
what chapter you want to start now?
Any chapter, sir.
Any
Any
chapter.
chapter, sir.
Okay. We have done, how many chapters we have done? Number system, polynomial, linear equation, coordinate geometry, lines and angles. Okay. Aswan, we have done chapter number 1 to chapter number 6, but we don't done chapter number 5, introduction to Euclid geometry. Okay. This is a small chapter. Okay. So
Okay.
after we complete this, we start triangles.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So we are taking Euclid geometry.
Yeah. Okay. Who is Euclid? You know that? You know them or not?
No,
A philosopher or like a mathematician.
Euclid is a Greek mathematician. Okay, he's a Greek mathematician. Okay, and it's Euclid's time. This thought of the geometry as an abstract model of the world in which they lived. Okay, the notions of the point, line, plane, and so on were derived from what was seen around them. Okay, and from the studies of the space and solids in the space around them, an abstract geometrical notation of solid object was developed. For example, a solid has shape, size, position, can be moved from one place to another. Its boundaries are called surfaces. Okay. Euclid's gives some definitions. Okay. These are some definitions given by Euclid. What was the definition mean? First point is the point is that has no part. Okay. A point, this is the point. There is no length and breadth, okay, of a point. So it means a point that is that which has no part. Understood?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
sir, it's line.
No, it's a point. It's a point is that which has no part. There is no length or breadth of point. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah. For example, this is point A. Number two is line is breadthless length. The line has no breadth, only length. Okay, this is the line. And line, there is no ending point of a line, and line has a breadthless length. Okay,
Okay.
there is no defined length of a line. Understood, Aswan?
Yes, sir.
Bro. Question number three is, sorry, definition number three, the ends of a lines are points. The ends of a line are points. Okay, the ends of line are points.
So,
Understood?
sir, it's line segment.
No, the end of a line are points.
Okay.
Yes. There is no ending point. It is not asking about the ending point. It is asking about the only point. Okay.
Okay.
लाइन बनती कैसे है लाइन पॉइंट से बनती है ओके
हाँ. Okay.
तो एंडिंग पॉइंट क्या है लाइन जो एंडिंग पॉइंट है वो लाइन के पॉइंट्स है
Okay.
definition number 4 is straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. A straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. So it means on a line there is infinite point on a line. Okay, infinite point on a line. Understood? Understood what
Yes.
I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, surface is that which has length and breadth only. If you have any surface, so it has length and breadth only. Okay?
Yeah.
Understood? The edges of a surface are lines. The edges, these are the edges, or these are the lines. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight line on itself. A plane surface, this is a surface which lies evenly with the straight line on itself. Okay? Well, this is simple definitions given by Euclid's. Now taking some axioms. Euclid's axiom, it's called Euclid axioms.
So should we write these points down?
Yeah?
We should write these down, right?
Yes, you can write it. Note it down.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now these are the Euclid's axioms. Okay. See the first axiom, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. What does it mean? For example, x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Okay. Right. Second, right. Opposite is this. For example, a equal to x and b is equal to also x. Okay. If a equal to x and b is equal to also x, it means the things which are equal to the same thing. These things will be equal to the same thing. A is equal to x and b is equal to also x. Means things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. It means A will be equal to B. Understood or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Note it down.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, now second axiom is if equals are added to equals, the wholes are equals. What does it mean? For example, two boy A and B, okay, having a weight of 10 kilogram. Okay, same weight. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Both gain 5 kilogram, or if we add 5 kilogram weight with these are the boys. Okay, so what is the sum? 15,
15.
15. So here you can see that wholes will be also equal. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
so this is the second axiom of the Euclid's. If equals are added to equals. Okay, these are the equals. If equals are added to equals, okay, the whole are equals. Sakshi, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is the same as the third axiom. If equals are subtracted from equals, if I'm subtract the weight, okay, if I'm subtract the weight, 5 kilogram, so it remains 5. Understood? Then
Yeah.
again the wholes are equal. Remainders are equal. Understood or not? Note it down.
Yeah.
Note it down. The example also.
Done.
Done.
Okay. Now, axiom for things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Okay. For example, these are the two angles. Okay. Each equal to 90 degree. And you know that if I put this angle on this angle, so they coincide. Okay, they will coincide. Understood or not?
Yeah.
Sir, means they will add.
Yeah.
Means they will add.
No. Addition not. If I put this angle on this angle, so they will coincide. Understood? See here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it means if things which coincide with one another, so it means the measurement of these particular things are equal. The value of these things will be equal. You can see that both of the angles are equal to 90 degree. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Axiom 5 is the whole is greater than the part. For example, this is a pizza here. Okay. This is a pizza. If I've cut a part of this pizza, I make it here. You can see that the whole is greater than the part. So this remaining whole, okay, is always greater than the part. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it down.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Done.
Done.
Okay, axiom 6. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. For example, x will be equal to 2a. Okay? And y also be equal to 2a. Okay? The things are the double of the same things. Things which are double of the same things. These are the double of the same things. Okay? So if x is equal to 2a and y is equal to also 2a, so it means x will be equal to y. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is the sixth possibility. And seventh is things which are halves of the same thing. For example, x is equal to a by 2 and y will solve y also equal to a by 2 and x will also equal to y. Write it down.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
Done.
Now move on to Euclid's postulates. Euclid's gives 5 postulates. Okay. I'm taking first postulate. Postulate 1 is a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Did you know that? A straight line may be drawn from any one point to another point. Because line has no limited length, no defined length. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And this postulate tells us that at least one straight line passes through two distinct points, but it does not say there cannot be more than one such line. However, in his work, Euclid has frequently assumed, without mentioning, there is a unique line joining two distinct points. We state the results in the form of an axiom as follows. I'm taking a axioms which state the result of this postulate 1. Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. Okay? For example, I'm taking a point here, point A, and taking a point B here. Okay? There are two distinct points. Tell me, Aswan, how many lines can we passes only this point A?
Sir, point A to B.
Yeah?
So one line.
Only one line. I'm asking that how many lines can we pass through only point A?
So
Ramesh, tell me.
Infinite.
infinite line.
Yes, infinite lines. Okay. There are infinite lines can be passed through point A. Or there can be an infinite line. Okay, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how many Sakshi, how many lines can be drawn through point B? Only point B.
Sir, same like A.
Yes,
Infinite.
infinite. Infinite lines. Okay? Infinite
Yes.
lines. Unlimited lines. But tell me how many lines can be passed through with point A and point B? Both points.
One.
Sir,
One.
one.
Only one and one point, one line. Okay, can be passes
Yeah.
through with these points. Okay.
Yeah.
Note it down.
Done.
Done, sir.
A terminated line can be produced indefinite. Okay. Can see this is a terminated line AB. Okay. So can be produced in both of the sides from here to here. Okay. You can produce indefinitely. Understood?
Sir, can you tell? I didn't understand.
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
You do not understand the postulate too.
Yeah.
This is a terminated line AB. Terminated
Okay.
means it is not produced to from anywhere to anywhere. Okay.
Okay.
This is a line can be produced indefinitely. मतलब इसको इस लाइन को और आगे बढ़ाया जा सकता है.
ठीक है.
ओके. अब यहाँ देखो ए से लेफ्ट साइड में कितना भी मतलब इसको प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं और बी से राइट साइड में कितने भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
ओके. दिस इज द
Okay.
Sir, I'm done.
ओके.
Done, sir.
A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Depends. You know that? It's very well. A circle can be drawn with taking any center and any radius. You can, okay, you can draw any, take any center and any radius. For example, you can draw 1 centimeter radius circle, 2 centimeter radius, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and so on. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right angles are equal to one another. I have told you here above. Okay, all right angles are equal to one another, which is equal to 90 degree. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. See the last postulate. If a straight line falling on two straight lines, there are two straight lines here, AB and CD. You can see. Okay. You are noting down or listening to me?
Sir, listening.
Sir, both.
Ramesh, see.
I'm
These are two straight lines, AB and CD. Okay. Understood?
yeah.
And the third line, PQ, is falling on two lines. Okay. Makes the interior angles on the same side. You can see angles here, 1 and 2 here. Okay. Angles on the same side if taken together less than two right angles. For example, if the sum of these two angles is less than 180 degree. If the sum of these two angles is less than 180 degree, then the two straight lines is produced indefinitely meet on the side on which the sum of angle is less than two right angles. If what does it mean? If the sum on the same side of this angle is less than 180 degree, then if we produce the lines, so they will meet at one point. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
साक्षी, अगर दो लाइंस हैं और सेम साइड में जो उनके एंगल्स बन रहे हैं, ओके, अगर उन दोनों का सम
Okay.
180 से कम है तो वो लाइंस
हाँ.
आगे जाके किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे मिलेंगी.
Okay.
ओके, अगर 180 से सम, अगर उनका दोनों का 180 से सम कम है, और अगर ज्यादा
ठीक.
है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग दिस साइड, this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Okay, yeah, we can see here angle 3 plus angle 4 is greater than 180. Okay, so ये कभी नहीं मिलेंगे आगे. These
Okay.
lines, these lines can never meet. Understood? And we
Yes,
know
sir.
that if we have two parallel lines, and we know that the sum on the same side of the transversal equal to 180 degree. For example, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. So we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. And angle 3 will be equal to 180. Okay?
Okay.
Understood? So the sum of the two angles are 180, so the lines can never meet. If the sum is less than 180 degree, so the line meet at only one point. Understood or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Ramesh, understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Done, sir.
Done.
Done. Try these questions.
Done.
Done, sir.
Sakshi, you are doing?
Yes, sir.
And what is the performance going on in your school? All of you, tell me.
What, sir?
What is the performance in your school now?
Sir, my school is closed.
School is closed. I need to open.
Sir, it will open in sir April 28. Sorry, yeah, April 26.
April 26.
Yes, sir.
Are you sleeping?
What, sir?
What are you saying? April 26?
Yes, sir, my school will open.
In the next year?
No, sir, this in next month, April.
Next month. Next month is April.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sorry,
all April.
August.
Okay. So in the last previous tests and exams, what is your performance in your school, in your class?
Sir, good.
Good or excellent? You are in top
Good.
10 or not?
What, sir?
You are in top 10 or not in your class?
Sir, maths I am top 5.
In top 5 in maths.
Yes, sir.
The other subjects?
So other subjects, not every subjects.
Yeah?
Not every subjects.
Okay. And Ramesh, what is your
And
performance? Yeah?
it was good, I guess.
Good?
Yeah.
So you are in top 10?
I mean, we didn't compare the marks, so I think so.
Why you don't compare the marks?
We just don't compare the marks.
No, compare the marks. It's motivated to you for getting to first rank.
Okay.
Okay, for example, you want to you want to do engineering after 12th. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
You want to become an engineer or doctor?
Doctor.
Doctor.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, there are only 20 seats available. Okay,
Yeah.
20 seats. Okay, and your exam, you you fail in your exam if only 1 mark. Okay,
Yeah.
and you lose your seat. So you have to compare the marks. Okay,
Okay.
understood? Compare
Yeah.
the marks and try to got first.
Okay.
Sakshi, what is your
Yes,
performance
sir.
in your
Sir,
school?
my school got closed today only, and exam will happen in after the school reopen.
ओके तो अब तक परफॉर्मेंस कैसा था जब तक परफॉर्मेंस
अच्छा था।
जो टेस्ट और एग्जाम्स हुए हैं उसमें कैसे मार्क्स आ रहे हैं कैसा मतलब क्या टॉप 5 में हो टॉप 10 में हो या नहीं तुम
एक ही एग्जाम हुआ है, उसमें उसमें इक्वल है, ठीक ठाक है।
नहीं तुम्हारी क्लास में तुम्हारी क्या पोजीशन है
वो नहीं पता।
पता होना चाहिए
हम्म।
वो तो पता होना चाहिए ना
हाँ।
ओके सो ऐसे ये ऐसे ऐसे स्टूडेंट बनने से कोई फायदा नहीं ओके पता होना चाहिए
ओके।
हमारी पोजीशन क्या है व्हाट इज माय पोजीशन इन इज माय क्लास इन माय स्कूल ओके एंड वी हैव टू मूव ऑन द फर्स्ट पोजीशन ओके
ओके।
यस और ये टारगेट पूरा करना है एट द लास्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम ओके ऑल ऑफ यू
Yes, sir.
यस सर, अभी टर्म 1 आएगा, उसमें करेंगे।
या ओके which of the following statements are true and which are false give reason for your answer question number first is only one line can pass through a single point tell me Anas oh sorry Isfan
False.
yeah this can be seen visually okay only one line catches pass through a single point it is false infinite line can pass through a single point understood
Yeah.
all of you
Yeah.
yes understood Sakshi
यस सर।
okay there are infinite number of lines which passes through two distinct points tell me Sakshi
नो सर, इट्स फॉल, ओनली वन लाइन कैन पास।
yes this is false because what is the reason reason is that it contradicts axiom 5.1 what is the axiom 5.1 axiom 5.1 is you can see here there are only two distinct points and there is this unique line that passes through them okay so
Yeah.
it contradicts the axiom 5.1 understood okay
Yes,
then
sir.
we tell me about the third a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides
It's true because it agrees with postulate number 2.
yes very good okay because it agreed postulate number 2. Postulate 2. Okay, if two circles are equal, then the radius are equal. Tell me, Aspan.
So is it false?
False.
So I'm not sure, but I guess it's false.
True.
Why not sure? I have told you. If we superimpose the region bounded by one circle to another, they will coincide.
Okay,
So their radius will be equal. The radius will be coincide.
okay, sir. Then true.
See here. This is a circle, okay? This is also a circle. If we superimpose on this circle, okay? You can see. Okay, these are two circles, and I'm superimpose the circle on the other circle. So their radius will be equal or not?
Yes. Yes,
The
sir. It will
radius
be.
will also be coincide. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it is true. It is
True.
Yeah. Understood.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, tell me if AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY. AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY. Then AB equal to XY. Tell me
Yes.
something.
True. True.
Yes, because this is the first axiom of Euclid. Okay.
Yes.
What is
Yes.
the first axiom of Euclid?
Things which
If
are equal
things
to.
which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.